Warning, listening to this podcast may result in chronic ambition and some wins. Hey winners, today is September 1st. That means the interest on federal student loans begins accruing today. After about 42 months of hiatus, monthly payments will begin in October. So here are 5 things you need to know to help you with this transition. Thank you for tuning in and welcome back to Stay Winning Podcast. Number 1, please be aware of scammers. Please confirm with your loan servicer if the message is legit and if they're offering what the message is saying. I know times are tough out there. This will be another financial squeeze, so please be careful and stay alert. Number 2, and this may or may not apply to you, but roughly 800,000 federal student loan borrowers won't have to make any payments because their remaining balances are in the process of being canceled. Many have already been notified of their canceled balances, a process that will continue through the end of 2023. After that, borrowers who don't yet have enough qualifying payments for cancellation will receive their updated accounts, bringing them closer to the loan term's finish line. Number 3, the Biden administration recently opened up its more affordable income-driven repayment plan called SAVE. It pegs the size of your monthly payment to your income and family size. The SAVE plan is expected to generate the lowest monthly payment for most borrowers, which means it's likely to be the best option for those that are in financial stress. There's a lot to like about this latest plan, which is more generous than the previous programs. Once it is fully in effect in the summer, it can possibly cut your payments by more than half. This plan also treats interest differently. So if your regular payment isn't enough to cover the interest owed at that time, the unpaid interest is automatically erased. That means those who religiously make their payments will not see their balances grow over time, which has happened to many borrowers, leaving them discouraged and priced out of real estate. There are several other repayment options to consider besides SAVE, including the standard repayment program, which spreads payments over 10 years. Since everyone's circumstances are different, please check out studentaid.gov to see which option is best for you. Number 4, if you're in default before the payment pause, you now received a fresh start and you're considered current on the payments. That means you can enroll in SAVE or any other repayment plan. For those that were in default, please contact the education department so you can know your options and make sure you get in the best program possible. And number 5, and this one I think is pretty neat. So if you miss a payment, don't stress. They're actually not going to report anything to the credit bureaus until after September 30 of 2024. This is what the Biden administration is calling a year-long on-ramp to help ease borrowers back into the repayment routine. So I hope that provides you a little more peace of mind, knowing that your credit score will not be impacted. But please do your best to try to make your payments for your financial future and well-being. Winners, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you found this helpful. Stay winning. Winners, if you're finding value to the information I am sharing on this podcast, please help me out and subscribe, share, download, and tell your friends. You know this podcast is new, so if you're feeling extra kind, give me a rating and leave me a review. I can definitely use your help to stay winning. This show is intended for educational and entertainment purposes only. It's not intended as personal financial advice. Before making any financial decision, please do your due diligence and consult a financial advisor as needed.